Now the latest developments on a case we have been following for years.
Nearly 3 years after a murder outside of a Woonsocket bank, the man accused, Jason Pleau, is ready to plead guilty in the case in order to avoid the death penalty.
Eyewitness News reporter Andrew Adamson is live outside of federal court in Providence with a preview of today's events. Andrew?
Well, Danielle and Patrick, this is really a case that has drawn a line in the sand in regards to the death penalty debate. One person that's really gotten involved with this is Governor Lincoln Chafee, and after years of fighting, he'll finally get the outcome he wanted, all along when that suspect pleads guilty, a change of plea here at federal court coming up later on in the day. The case in question involves Rhode Islander Jason Pleau. He's accused in the death of David Main in September of 2010. Main was robbed and killed outside a Woonsocket bank. As the alleged killer, Pleau faced the death penalty under federal law, but in a plea agreement signed last week, Pleau admitted to committing the crime. In exchange for the change of plea, prosecutors and Pleau's lawyers say they'll recommend a sentence of life in prison without parole. Governor Chafee, who fought to keep Pleau from facing capital punishment, spoke exclusively with Eyewitness News about the outcome.
Rhode Island doesn't have the death penalty, and that's the policy that I'm going to support. It has nothing to do with my own personal views. It's the position of the state of Rhode Island, and so I declined to release the prisoner, expose him to the death penalty.
We're going to have more from Governor Chafee in that exclusive interview, as well as a statement from the victim's family, David Main, coming up in our next half hour on Eyewitness News at 6:30. For now, live with the Providence Mobile Newsroom, Andrew Adamson, Eyewitness News.